Hello everyone, I'm Beth Roy, an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I wanted to do a quick video today showing you how I put my stamp labels on to my red rubber stamps, or stickers, or whatever you call them. So I got this new Stampin', and I pick a block that will fit my stamps. And when you first open them, I've already done one, you have these, and this is a red rubber, and Stampin' Up! Actually perforates them for us, so it's so nice. So you can easily pull these away from the red rubber. Oops. Hold tight. Don't throw your stamps, right? Okay, sorry about that. So this side has a backing on it. When you peel that off, this is the sticky side where your label goes. So you also get a sheet of the label. So one side is smooth, it doesn't have any breaks in it. And then one side has a break in it. It's perforated for each sticker. Okay, that just makes it easier. This part goes on to your stamp. And then the other side actually adheres to your clear block for when you're stamping. So what I do is Stampin' Up! Has a video where they peel this off, and then you have this peeled off. Oops. And you stick this lined up like that. Well, my eyes have a really hard time doing that. So I'm going to show you the way that I learned from another demonstrator to do it. So instead of peeling this side off, I'm going to peel at this until I can get the whole sticker off from my sheet. And then I'm going to put that on my clear block. That is how it would mount when you're stamping. So it's not going to hurt your block because it's supposed to do that. And then I peel this side off. This side goes to your rubber stamp. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to, don't drop it. This is very sticky. It's very permanent. So I don't want you to be nervous when you're assembling your stamps, but please take your time. So I'm going to lay this right over top, and I'm going to slowly go down and line it up with that outline, and that's going to line up perfectly, and it's just like I'm stamping. So there you have it. And then when you go to take this off, peel very gently until one of the ends come up. And then you just peel it off. I like to, what I call de-stick it. I just put my fingers on there a little bit. And then this sticks right to your case. So you can put your stamps in there after you've assembled all of them. And I don't use the big block on all of them. I actually grab an appropriate sized block so it's easier for me to hold for each one. So there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip. If you need any Stampin' Up! Products and you do not have a demonstrator, you can find me at bethroy.stampinup.net. Click on Shop Now and browse all of our products online. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact me at any time. You can email me at stampandcreatewithbeth@gmail.com or find me on Facebook. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.